When it comes to home design, natural light plays a crucial role in creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. In Glendale, California, where the sunny, Mediterranean climate offers plenty of sunlight throughout the year, bay windows provide an excellent way to bring the outdoors in and enhance your home's interior lighting. These stunning windows not only improve the look and feel of your home but also boost its energy efficiency and create a brighter, more spacious environment. In this article, we'll explore how bay windows enhance natural lighting in Glendale residences and why they are an excellent addition to your home. Maximizing light flow into your home. One of the primary benefits of bay windows is their ability to capture and maximize natural light. Unlike traditional flat windows, which only let light in from one angle, bay windows extend outward, allowing light to flood in from multiple directions. This creates a brighter, more airy feel in any room they're installed in. In Glendale, where residents enjoy plenty of sunny days, bay windows make it possible to take full advantage of that natural sunlight. The large central pane of glass in a bay window, along with the angled side panels, allows light to enter from different angles, illuminating the room more evenly and making the space feel larger and more open. Whether installed in the living room, kitchen, or bedroom, bay windows bring in more light and transform any room into a welcoming, well-lit space. Creating a more spacious feel. Bay windows are known for their ability to make a room feel larger and more open. The projecting design of the window creates an illusion of extra space, making the room feel more expansive without the need for structural changes or costly renovations. This feature is especially beneficial in homes with smaller rooms or tight spaces, which are common in some Glendale neighborhoods. By allowing more natural light into a room, bay windows further enhance the sense of openness. The combination of added light and the extra space created by the window's design can make your Glendale home feel more inviting and comfortable. Even if you don't have a large living space, a bay window can make the room feel more spacious and connected to the outdoors. Aesthetic appeal and architectural elegance. Bay windows aren't just functional, they also add significant aesthetic value to your home. The elegant design of a bay window can become the focal point of any room, drawing attention to the view outside while adding architectural charm to the interior. Whether you prefer a classic Victorian style or a more contemporary, sleek look, bay windows can be customized to suit your home's unique aesthetic. In Glendale, where homes vary in design from traditional to modern, bay windows offer a timeless design that complements both classic and contemporary architecture. Whether you're updating your living room, bedroom, or dining area, bay windows create an elegant, eye-catching feature that enhances the overall look and feel of your home. Better energy efficiency and reduced need for artificial lighting. Bay windows not only improve your home's natural lighting but can also contribute to better energy efficiency. The increased natural light reduces the need to rely on artificial lighting during the day, which can help lower electricity costs. Glendale's sunny climate makes it easy to keep your home well lit without the constant need for indoor lighting, and bay windows help you make the most of that sunlight. Moreover, Modern bay windows often come with energy-efficient features such as double or triple glazing, insulated frames, and low-E coatings. These features help to regulate the temperature inside your home by reducing heat loss in the winter and keeping the heat out during the summer. As a result, bay windows can help improve your home's overall energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable while reducing energy bills. Connecting your home to the outdoors. Bay windows also help create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. With their extended design, bay windows provide panoramic views of your garden, yard, or the surrounding landscape. This is especially beneficial in Glendale, where the scenic views of the surrounding mountains and greenery can be enjoyed from the comfort of your home. A bay window serves as a visual bridge between your living space and the outdoors, allowing you to appreciate nature while still enjoying the comforts of being indoors. Whether you're sitting by the window reading a book or watching the sunset, bay windows bring the beauty of the outdoors inside, creating a peaceful and relaxing environment. Versatile and functional space. In addition to enhancing natural light and aesthetics, bay windows also offer functional benefits. The extra space they create can be used for seating, storage, or as a cozy nook for reading or enjoying the view. Many homeowners in Glendale take advantage of the space below their bay windows by adding custom seating or cushions, transforming the area into a relaxing spot to unwind or enjoy a cup of coffee. The functionality of bay windows makes them not only a design element but also a practical addition to your home. Whether you need additional seating or simply want a space to showcase plants, art, or other decor, bay windows provide a versatile area that complements your home's functionality. Conclusion. Bay windows are a fantastic addition to any home in Glendale, offering a wide range of benefits that enhance both natural lighting and the overall appeal of your space. By bringing in more sunlight, creating a spacious feel, improving energy efficiency, and providing an elegant architectural feature, bay windows can transform any room into a brighter, more inviting space. Whether you're looking to improve the aesthetic of your home, save on energy bills, or simply enjoy a better connection to the outdoors, bay windows are a smart investment that provides lasting value and comfort.